This is why you need Parsimony. Imagine streamlining every aspect of your business, optimizing every process, and achieving operational excellence, all with one powerful tool. In today's fast-paced business world, efficiency isn't just nice to have, it's essential. That's where Parsimony comes in. As your all-in-one ERP system, Parsimony is designed to tackle the complexities of modern businesses, making it easier than ever to manage your operations. With Parsimony, you can integrate all your key functions, from inventory management to customer relations, all the way to financial reporting. Imagine all your critical data, accessible in one place, updated in real time. But Parsimony doesn't just store information, it transforms it. Advanced analytics provide actionable insights, helping you make decisions that drive your business forward. And the best part? It's all tailored to fit the unique needs of your business, ensuring that you are not just keeping up but setting the pace in your industry. So, why wait? Unlock business excellence today with Parsimony ERP and watch your business not only grow, but thrive. Let's simplify, optimize, and excel together, because with Parsimony, efficiency is just the beginning.